Hi everyone. In this video, I will let you know how we can clear our list with the help of different function. So here I will utilize the remove function, pop, del, then clear. So we have multiple options to clear our list. So each options has different way to clear your list. So some of the option you have to pass the wording. Some of the option you have to pass the index number. In some of the option you have to delete the complete list. In some of the option you can clear complete list. Okay. So delete complete list means that list is not available. Okay. So let's see how we can utilize these options to clear our list. So here my first option is my name list. This is a name of the variable. And here I have made three words into this list. Then what I have to remove? I remove the Kumar. So you will have to write here name of the variable. Then you have to write dot remove and you have to pass that word you want to remove. Now here I will take output through the print, then this is a list name. Okay, so Kumar will be removed and your output will be Ram and Singh. Second option, we are removing the value with the help of index. So see here, I'm just removing second index. Second index is Singh. You know, 0 is a first value, second value is 1. Sorry, 0 is first value, second value is 1, and second index is third value. Okay, so 0, 1, 2. If you want to remove the second index number value, then Singh will be removed. Now I'm taking third option. Third option is also used to remove your 0 index value. So the syntax of the del is different. So see here, I have written here del, then I have written my list name. This is the list name. I have written list name, then 0 index. So 0 index is Ram. So Ram will be removed. Now next option is delete my list. This list is completely deleted. Okay, it will not clear your content only. It will delete complete list. So whenever you will print the my name list, then you will get an error. Okay, because we have already deleted this list. Next option is you want to clear complete list, then you will have to write my name list dot clear, then bracket start, bracket close. Okay, this is an empty parameter. Now it will clear complete list. That's all. Now I will do practical. So see here, I'm moving on Jupyter notebook. So this is my Jupyter notebook. Now I'm opening the Jupyter notebook I have created. So this is the notebook. So I just open it and then I will start writing code into this notebook. So see here, it's opened now. Now I will create a list. So here I'm writing team is a name of the variable where I will create list. So here I'm just writing John, comma, Mary, comma, Rohit. Okay. So now what I will do here, I will write down the function to remove Mary. So you will have to write here uh, name of the list name. So this is the name of the list dot. Then first option, what I have to use here, remove option. So you need to write here remove, then a square bracket, and then you need to pass here Mary. Mary. Okay. So in remove, you have to pass the word, whatever you want to remove. Okay. The Mary I have taken in inverted comma. You can take here single quote as well. Okay. So now I'll just printing. Print name of the list. Run it. So I'm getting error. Why I'm getting error? I think need to write down this bracket. Okay. No need to take list here. Bracket start, and then you have to take this bracket. Okay. Run it. So see here, John and Rohit is available here. Now moving on second example. So here I'm taking same list. Okay. So here I'm taking same list. I just create same list. Now here I will write team is a name of the list. Then you have to write here pop, and then you have to take here index number. So index number will be 2. So 2 means what? 0, 1, 2. So if I pass here index number 2, then Rohit will be removed. Okay. Now you need to write here print, then you have to write here team. Run it. So see here, John and Mary is available. Rohit is removed. Okay. Moving on next. So here I'm taking same list. Then I have to utilize here del. So let's see how we can utilize the del. First, you need to write del, then you have to write down the list name, then you have to put down the index number. So here you need to write del first. So here I'm writing del, then you have to write team, then you have to take here a square bracket. Within a square bracket, you have to pass the index number. So index number 0 I have passed, so John will be removed. Now I'm taking output through the print. So now I'm writing team. Run it. So see here, Mary and Rohit is available. John is removed because index number 0 is John. Okay, so John is removed. Now moving on next example. So next example, here I want to let me check print team. Run it. So see here. Now I don't want to keep it. I want to remove this team list. So you need to write here del, then you have to write here team. Okay. So see here, I have written del, then list name. Okay. So now whenever I will write here print team, probably you will get an error. So see here, why I'm getting error? Because here I have applied delete. So I have deleted and trying to take value from the team. So if it's already deleted, I will not get any value. You will get an error. Now moving on, clear. So I'm just creating same list again. So I'm just taking list. Now what you have to do here, you need to take team dot clear, clear bracket start bracket close, and then you have to write print. Then you have to take your team. Run it. So see here, everything is deleted from this list. Now you are getting empty list. Okay. So that's all for this video. Thank you so much.